Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a really simple move, the right-handed shoulder slide. So this is just a right-handed variation of a beginner move. If you've done a shoulder slide before, that would be helpful. Link in the description below. And it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Simple as that. Let's break it down. So unlike a normal shoulder slide, this one starts in the right hand, and apart from that change, there's not a heck of a lot of difference. So if we go semicircle push, send the lady back, guys will still be stepping in, turning left. They'll start the lady walking forwards, and of course you'll carry on unless she gets another lead. So as a guy step in, you're going to fold your right arm up, place the lady's hand onto your right shoulder, and just as usual the lady will follow the track of the shoulders, end up coming down the left arm unless you do something specific to get to the other hand, and then it's just a return and back. So you could do the same thing but do a twist so the hand drops and catch it in the right. So you could end up with a right to right at the end if you prefer. So numbers, it goes like this. It goes back 1, in and latch 2 without slowing down, through to the catch 3, returning 4 and back 5. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, right-handed shoulder slide. We go a back, latch, catch, return and back. One more time, catching in the left. 5, a 6, right-handed shoulder slide. We go a back, latch, catch, return and back. And that is that. I hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. I'll stick a music recommendation on the end so you have something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.